I was just thinking about this back when I was a kid in 1968. I actually used one of these, and I really didn't know anything about it. There was some rich people I used to cut their lawn, and it was a two-cycle engine. I remember they had trouble starting it, and I know this is some guy's site here, but this one I think doesn't. I don't think it's got a two-cycle. It's got a four-cycle engine, and it had a blade in it. Somebody says another one had a string in it, but it was interesting, and you could go over stones with it, not sharp ones, but round ones, and it would do nothing. I think it's because a regular lawnmower with wheels has a suction and would suck them up and hit the blade. And this thing, it pushes down, so it would push the stones down away from the blade. I think that's why it could go over some of those stones in the driveway, at the edge of the driveway, and it wouldn't do nothing. Yeah, let's take a look at this. It's interesting. Guy is cutting this, and you could swing it side to side like that, and it glide. Really easy to use. Very easy to use. You don't have to worry about hitting stones unless it's a sharp stone or something sharp sticking up. Very interesting. Look at this here. He's using this on a hill. The problem with that, this is a safety problem. Why I don't think they use this mower in the United States because of a safety problem or a safety / liability problem. For instance, if you let go of this, that's going to slide down there real quick, quicker than one on wheels. Trust me, because it glides. If the wind blows slightly, it'll go with the wind. You have to hang on to it. You can't let it on an incline or in the wind. It'll glide away. And I think it might have been a safety issue. Liability is why it didn't sell good in the United States. But he says it's mulching or whatever, and it's doing a good job. And it's really easier to use, I think. And you can go in like corners and stuff. Much easier in corners. You don't have to twist and turn the wheels. And in England, it's because they have little yards. I liked it. I really did. I was just a kid, like a 14-year-old, whatever. But it was nice,
It's just a new disc on a slightly used demo mower.
This is another mower.
Brand new blades.
Phoenix Hoover mower.
Some long grass. Okay, let's go.
Let's see what this one does. But I do remember having trouble starting it. It was a two-cycle. Pretty easy, isn't it? This one. A lot of power. I thought they said 4 horsepower. He's got high grass. I want to see if it cuts the high grass. It's doing a good job. It's doing a good job. That's high grass. Woo! I mean, a regular lawnmower with wheels would have trouble going through there. I don't know what the smoke's all about. But it's riding on a cushion of air. I drove a Hoovercraft, and the same thing. If there's a little wind, they just go sideways, and if you're a little inclined, it'll go down it real quick because it's gliding like it's on Teflon. They're very, in wind or an incline, they can be difficult, but in flat surface, these are really easy to use, I think. That's some rough stuff. I guess it does get a little clogged up. Any lawnmower, you got to pick it up, pick the wheels up or whatever, when you're in heavy grass. Now here's one 1965. I thought it was 1968. I used this one here. It had a blade on it. Well, I don't know if it was this one, but yeah, it's just things you remember. I remember the people that were rich people. They owned a construction company, and they used to cut their lawn. And they had pet tarantula and boa constrictor in the house, and we used to go in there for Halloween and look at it. And the one time they said they let it out, roam around the house, and and I don't remember if it was the tarantula or the snake, but we got out of there quick. And then the guy next to him, I used to cut his lawn too, and he was a lawyer, and he he left because he got married. He got married to President Eisenhower's granddaughter, and I seen her on public TV the other day talking about her grandfather. It was really interesting that she had a connection to this person, But interesting things, that happened in my life,